Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aids. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix NYT audio app not working. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. The very first solution is you have to check whether your NYT app is up to date or not. For that, open your app store. At the top, you can see this search box, type in your NYT audio and search for it. After app appears, you're gonna see this option of open or update over here. If you see the option of update over here, just tap on that option of update and update your NYT app to its latest version. But if you see the option of open, that means your app is already up to date. After completion of the update process, you can just open this app and check whether your app is working or not. If this solution didn't work for you, then you can jump into the second solution, that is you have to clear cache for this app. For that, head to our settings application. Scroll all the way down and head towards this option of general. Now go to this option of iPhone storage. Scroll all the way down and head towards the app NYT. After you find that app, open it. Over here, you're gonna find this option of upload app. Tap on it. Tap on upload app. After completion of uploading the app, tap on reinstall app. This will clear cache for this app but keep its documents and data safe. After you do that, you can check whether your app is working or not. If this solution also doesn't work for you, then you can uninstall your app and install it again. So long press on your NYT app. Different options will pop up. Select this option of remove app. Tap on delete app. Tap on delete. After you delete this app from your device, head towards the app store. At the top, you can see this search box. Type in their NYT audio. After app appears, tap on this icon to download it. Now within few seconds, your app will be downloaded. After it is downloaded, you can tap on this option of open and check whether your app is working or not. By applying all of these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix NYT audio app not working on your device. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.